Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I'm going to take social science class for class 2. Our today's topic is lesson 14 and we will do exercise C, which is true false. Today is lecture number 1 and homework number 1 will be given today. So dear students, let's look at the lesson. This is lesson 14. This is on page 32 of your book. The title of this lesson is Our School, Our Duties. So let's read. We go to our school every day. We go there to learn. We love our school. Our school has many classrooms. We have morning assembly every day. We sing our national anthem in our assembly. There is a playground in our school. We play games there. There is a library in our school. There are many books in our library. We read books in the library. We love our school like our house. Our school is a big family. We have duties in our school. There are some rules in our school. We have to obey those. Every day, we should go to our school in time. We should wear our clean school uniforms. We must take our books, exercise books, pencils, and erasers in our school bags. We should listen to our class teachers carefully. We also behave well to our classmates. We should be friendly with them. Look at the picture. Here is the teacher and you can see the students standing. What does it say here? Standing to respect the teacher. So you should also show respect to the teacher. Come to the next para. We should keep our classrooms clean. We should not spit on the floors of the classrooms. We should take part in our examinations and to the annual function of our school. We should obey our teachers. This will make us to do better in our future lives. Let's look at the next page. Page 33. Here we have exercise C. Now that we have read the lesson, we will do this exercise. This is identify true and false from the following sentences. So we have to identify true and false here. So look at number 1. We go to school every day. This sentence is true. Number 2. We should not obey school rules. This is not right. So this is false. Number 3. We should take part in the cultural functions of the school. This is true. Number 4. We should respect our teachers. This is also true. Okay, dear students, this was today's class. Please do the homework carefully and submit it in due time. The true false we did in today's class is your next homework. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.